Looking to save on your stay at White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam? We've got you covered. Applying the Hostel Amsterdam discount code is simple and a great way to enjoy Amsterdam without breaking the bank. First, start by visiting our official website where you can browse all our room options, from cozy shared dorms to private and group rooms. Once you've chosen your perfect spot, just proceed to booking like you normally would. At checkout, make sure to enter the discount code Hostel Amsterdam. Instantly, the price will drop, giving you a sweet saving on your total reservation. Then, complete your payment and get ready for an affordable, comfortable, and fun stay in the heart of Amsterdam. Why book direct with us? Because the best prices and exclusive discounts are only available through our website. Plus, you'll have 24/7 personal support from our team, ready to assist with any questions or special requests. Keep in mind, this code works for all room types, so whether you want a shared dorm or your own private room, you save. Just a quick tip, you usually can't combine multiple discounts, but this one is often the best deal available. To maximize your savings, book early and consider traveling in quieter months. Also, follow us on social media for flash deals and new discount codes. Returning guests can ask about loyalty discounts too. For all the details and to apply your code easily, check out the link in the description. We can't wait to welcome you soon.